The Eiffel Tower stands at the heart of Paris, changing its mood with every hour of the day. During sunrise, the tower glows softly as warm light touches the iron structure, revealing its delicate patterns. By afternoon, it becomes a vibrant symbol of the city, surrounded by the energy of the Champ de Mars and the flowing Seine. As evening arrives, the golden lights appear, creating one of the most iconic sights in the world, a glowing monument rising above Paris. Built in 1889 for the World's Fair, it was meant to be temporary, yet it became the most visited landmark on the planet. During Christmas, the mood transforms again as festive lights shimmer around the tower, filling the air with winter magic and holiday warmth. Each moment brings a new personality, making the Eiffel Tower a living canvas of history, beauty, and Parisian charm.